Hi guys, my name is Kalina. I'm here at Edmonton, heading over to church to ask people what they think of when they hear 24/7. Come with me. I'm here with Winta.
Burka,
Marin,
Matthew, Robel,
Tony.
And Winta, what do you think of when you hear 24/7?
Never Ending, Infinity,
Jeremiah.
Jeremiah chapter 24 verse 7.
Constant. The word constant.
First Bruno Mars.
Consistent,
24/7 making that money.
McDonald's drive-thrus.
Think about the future, past, present, eternal, 24/7. Amen. Thank you guys. Thank you, Burkett. Thank you. That was good.